What is up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Most of you guys have been asking me to put out a free training. I decided to teach both versions, how to do it without outsourcing and how to do it outsourcing. For the people that can't afford to hire digital employees, I'm going to show you guys how to do it till you start making profit, then you can outsource. And for the people that can do it outsourcing, I'll show you guys as well. I'm not gonna edit this video. I'm gonna go straight to the point, not gonna speak all these rubbish, whatever, etc. things. I'm just gonna go straight to the point, show you guys how to do it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be posting more free tips to help you guys grow your channel and teach you guys how to optimize correctly. So let's get straight to the video. Alright guys, as you guys may see in the screen, I created a Google Doc of all the things you will need to download. The first thing you will have to download is an editor. For the people that are in a budget and can't afford to get Sony Vegas or Premiere, I recommend you guys to start with CapCut. Let me go on the website real quick so you guys can see it. It's a good free editor. I've tried it and I actually have Premiere and Vegas, and I can tell you guys it's super good. If you do have a MacBook, I recommend you guys to get Final Cut Pro. The second thing you want to download is Audacity. Audacity is gonna be a software where you will record your voiceovers, so it's super important. It's free. All the links will be in the description as well. The third thing you will want to get, this is the secret sauce. Without this, you won't grow your channel. So this is the most important one. It's vidIQ. To get vidIQ, it all depends. I recommend you guys to download either Firefox or Chrome. If you have Chrome, just search vidIQ Chrome. Once you search it, it should pop up chrome.google.com. Click on it, download the extension. Once you download it, create an account, and you're pretty much set to go. All right, so now that we got that out of the way, let's begin the video. So the first thing you want to do before anything, before starting a channel, you will want to go to vidIQ. Why go on vidIQ? Well, you want to find a niche. I know you guys have heard a lot from a lot of gurus telling you guys to pick niches that are trending. I'm going to tell you guys the opposite. Don't pick a niche that's trending. Why? Because when you pick a niche that's trending, you're already competing with people that have an audience. People that once they post a video, they're going to rank way better than you. So what I recommend people is to find niches that are not saturated but have a high search volume and have a low to medium competition. And how are you going to do that? Well, I teach all my students the A to C method. The A to C method is basically where you go from A, B, C, D, etc. Writing random words till you find a niche that's not saturated. For example, let's say we start with A, animal. Okay, so animal has over 1 million search, high competition, so definitely doesn't work. Then the next one will be B. We'll put let's see, B. Let's see what comes up. C, etc. Well, anyways, guys, I'm gonna teach you guys a really good niche you guys can start with are horror stories. Horror stories has a medium competition. Not a lot of people are posting it, but there's more people searching it. So what you want to do is find a niche that has big search volume and a low competition volume. Why? Because your first viewers, once you start a channel, you're really depending on search views. Let me explain. Search views are where you optimize your video with tags, description, and title. If people search, for example, horror story, and the first top 10 videos you pop up, that's where you're gonna start. Once you start building an audience, then you'll start hitting recommended, and then you can pick niches that are high in competition because you already have an audience. But in the meantime, start with a small niche. So if you want to start with a horror story, let's start with horror story. So once we get the niche, we want to study it. Once we have the niche, we want to find sub niches. So the way you can do that is by going to youtube.com. Once you're on YouTube and you found your niche, simply just search horror stories. Let it load up. Once it loads up, you paste it. And what I like to do is I like to see what's trending a month ago, not a year ago or 2 months or 3 months, more like recent videos. So I will go to filters. I will click on this month. Okay, perfect. Once you click on this month, you want to study your competition. You want to see what successful channels are doing and study from them. That's how I started with YouTube. I started by researching people that were posting in my niche, and I was just seeing what they were posting and how I can make it better than them. In other words, this is called the mirror method, where you find a channel. I always recommend people to find channels that have low subscribers but high amount of views. For example, right here in Horror Steer, we got Whisper Diaries. He posted a video 2 weeks ago. It got 500,000 views and he has 48,000 subscribers. So the first thing you will want to do once you find a video like that, you click on it. Of course, once you have vidIQ downloaded, it should come up in the right corner, all the information in vidIQ. This is really important. We're going to use this corner to study this channel. So once we are here, we can see that this channel is, he SEO in the description. He added keywords like Airbnb horror story. The title he put in the description. True creepy stories.
Sell online and grow.
So you want to put a description where you basically explain the video, but with your tags. You try to sneak in your tags in the description, so when people search those tags, you will be ranking within those tags. So once you're here, you want to go in the right corner and you want to see tags that he's ranking. Right now, he's ranking for horror story. He's number 58, meaning that when you search horror story and you scroll down till place 58, he will be there. But in Airbnb horror story, he's number 7, and that's how we found him. So a good way to do is to get channels that are getting views with low subscribers and just model them. A good way is by, using their tags, learning their description, their title, the thumbnails, etc. Perfect. So once we found the niche, we study our competition. Now we want to create the content. This is where a lot of you guys always ask me, hey, how do I get the videos? Hey, how do I create content? Hey, etc., etc. So luckily now, we didn't have this back then, but now it's easier than ever. If you guys want to get video ideas, I will recommend you doing the mirroring method. Or, for example, let's say we really like horror stories. So what I will do is I will click on horror stories, remove Airbnb, go to vidIQ, click on daily ideas. I will paste the title, and then they will suggest me some good titles. For example, right here, medium. You want to find one that has low competition or medium competition. Don't use very high or high. You're not going to see views. So they suggested to use, these are the terrifying true horror story that will give you the chills. Perfect. Once I have the title, I'll create a Google Doc. This is really good for people that are, want to write down their ideas. I will put video title. I will paste the title. Then I will put a tag section. A good way to get tags using rapid tags generator. You're going to paste the title. And right here, you're going to copy the tags. And you're going to paste the tags. Okay, perfect. We got the title. We got the tags. Now we're going to start creating the video. So what I will do here before anything is I will create my script. Once I create my script, then I will start getting the videos to put it with my script. So the title is Terrifying True Horror Stories That Will Give You Chills. So what I will do is I will go to OpenAI. I will write a script for Terrifying True Story. Press enter. Okay, he's going to start creating a couple scripts. Again, guys, you will want to insert this message a couple times depending how many stories you're going to present. But usually most people present 3 to 5 stories per video. I highly recommend people don't do lower than 3 stories. So once it finished the script, the next thing you want to do is go to Pictory. Pictory AI. Basically, Pictory is an AI software where you get your script, you paste it, and they already provide you the clips for you instead of you researching and finding it and whatever is the case. So it's free. The way you're gonna do is click on free trial. Once you're here, you're gonna sign up, put your email information and whatnot. It's gonna load up. Okay, you add some information. Salvatore Destine, automated lifestyle. Okay. Once you create your account, it's just start popping up now at any moment. So let's check. Okay, perfect. They provided me 3 stories. So perfect, guys. I don't have to keep entering. I already got my 3 stories. So the next thing I will do is copy it. I will go to Pictory. Once you're in Pictory, put script to video, press proceed. All right, you're gonna paste your script, then click proceed. A good template to use, I'll suggest to use Dove. It's a good template. Click on it, 16:9. It's gonna take a couple minutes right now. It's creating the story, so you're gonna let it load. Also, guys, comment below what other type of videos you guys would like me to cover, like, you know, how to get more views, why you're not getting views. Maybe I can do weekly live streams where I can rate your YouTube automation videos and give you guys free suggestions. I don't want to be like your typical gurus that are gonna try to like push you guys to buy something. I really want to help you guys for free, and this is the whole point of this channel. Slowly, you know, my goal is to help you guys become financially free for free by teaching you guys everything. I know a lot of you guys may be, you know, busy because you guys work or have a family, whatnot. For those people that don't have the time to create content, you guys can click on my Instagram, shoot me a text, and we can schedule a call, and I'll see if you're a good fit. And potentially, if you are a good fit, you know, we can coordinate where my team will create the content for you, and we will post the videos, we'll make the thumbnails, we'll edit, we'll do everything for you from A to C. You don't have to do anything, and we'll split percentage. It's a partnership. But if you do have the time, this is the video for you. So once you are here, they just created the video. I like to remove the text. It looks really ugly. So you're just gonna click on settings, hide text. Again, if you're using the free trial, there's gonna be a watermark, but you know, maybe you can start using a temporary for the first couple weeks to 2 months. Once you start making profit, then you can, you know, pay the membership for Pictory so you don't have to get a watermark, or you can pay somebody to outsource the content for you. But once you have it, we'll see a preview and whatnot. Perfect. So we got our video. Once we have our video, we want to click generate. Click on video. It's going to start generate the video. And the next step will be is going to Audacity. Once you're in Audacity, you want to go to your script. And you just want to read your script. It's right here. Read your script and just record it. It's really easy. Once you're in Audacity, you go on it, you press record, you read the script, you stop recording, you click on file, you click export as MP3. Once you have it, there's 2 ways you can do it. You can either edit it on Pictory or you can edit it on your editor. And the way you can do that is by adding voiceover, upload voiceover, and you just drag your clip. So once you have that, you just post the video with the title and the tags and a description. A good description can be, I will highly suggest the description start with the title. So this is how I would do it. Description, I will start with, these are the different channel. If you really enjoyed scary ghost stories, true life stories, please hit the subscribe. You know, try to sneak in those keywords. Don't make it too obvious, but try to sneak it in and, you know, try to be creative with the description. Once you have that and your video's finishing editing, you're just gonna go on YouTube. Pretty much go on YouTube. For thumbnail, I suggest people maybe Fiverr. There's a couple thumbnail people for $5, or download Photoshop and create it. But pretty much once you're here, you're gonna click on upload video, drag the video, put the title, the description, the tags, and just do this for 30 days. The first couple of videos, ignore it. You're not gonna see views. Usually it's like a 20% of videos that do end up going viral. But the key for YouTube automation is to be consistent. Be consistent. Trust me. Do this every day for 30 days. Believe it or not, one video will blow up. It only takes one video to blow up. Once that video blows up, you'll get monetized. Once you're monetized, you'll start making profit and just right away start outsourcing your content. Once you have profit, go on Fiverr, go on Upworks, search for a script writer, search for a video editor, search for a thumbnail. I'll show you guys real quick how to do it. Okay. So once we're in Fiverr, you know, we'll just go here. Search for a script writer, YouTube. All right. See, $10. You can put your budget, depending on your budget. You click on it. Budget, click on it. You know, you put the amount that you feel comfortable starting with. You can put a minimum, you can put a max, and it's pretty much easy. That's pretty much it. Any other question, comment below. If you guys enjoyed this free training or have any questions, let me know and I'll help you guys out. Thank you so much. Make sure you support, because I took time on my day to give out free knowledge.